Hey guys! Today we'll take a look at how to convert DVD to ISO image file. DVD discs are not as safe as you think in the long run. A tiny scratch can cause DVD damage or make the disc completely unusable. Thus, to better store your DVD discs that cannot be found on internet, you're suggested to rip DVD to ISO image. This helps you archive an exact copy of your DVD disc into a digital format that could be instantly burned to another disc or mount virtually on computer without taking up physical space. In this video, I'll show you how to create ISO image from DVD with WinX DVD Ripper Platinum. Firstly, insert your disc into the drive. Launch WinX DVD Ripper Platinum and click DVD disc to import your disc to the program. Then, an output profile window pops up automatically. Go DVD backup option, and you can see 4 DVD copy modes here. Choose Clone DVD to ISO image as output format. Select a destination folder to store the converted ISO image if necessary. And tap Run button to start creating ISO from DVD. As the DVD copy mode backs up everything written on DVD without transcoding, WinX DVD Ripper Platinum can finish the DVD to ISO copying within 5 minutes, but the original quality reserved. So this has been my tutorial on how to convert DVD to ISO image. This should work for pretty much any DVDs, like movie DVDs, TV series DVDs, new DVD releases or old discs that cannot be re-downloaded from online, etc. But WinX DVD Ripper does not advocate ripping copy-protected DVDs for any commercial purpose. Please refer to the local DVD copyright laws before doing so. And if this tutorial was helpful for you, smash the like button and get subscribed for more awesome tech tutorials. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.